Here's a 2018 Buick Encore. Flexibility has never been more perfectly sized than with this stylish, nimble, and luxurious Encore. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, leather split bench seats, streaming audio, leather steering wheel, power heated mirrors, external memory control, aluminum wheels, Wi-Fi hotspot, and automatic transmission. From automobile, the Buick Encore offers reasonable fuel economy, impressive driving dynamics, and an upscale interior at a sweet spot price that makes it accessible to those who normally shop brands that are more conventional. In a Buick, you get innovative technology and sophisticated design for the real world. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
At Dave Sinclair Buick GMC, our customer service speaks for itself. Visit today. We're conveniently located at 5655 South Lindbergh Boulevard in St. Louis.